UMLA kanong kremba Ardent Miller basayo maj mentagasngi ula Wanrah rakajingkili hayeng Dorbar habayade berkakarkhana maumlu Chera Cement Limited. Haba jubab halor kani usembut Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla basnya balangdhar ula pensyai bayakani ke Ishu ladap ban penwai hadin kajinga keran ngothu bat baro ki badan pentah kate ka karkhana. Ban pensyai company Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla kontrak ke sangma ulayathu bakinnya keran ru bat ki babun naga benta kate kakam.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Reply to start question 104. Sir, there is no proposal for the privatizations of Mamlu Chera Cement Limited. Yes, the earlier proposal for a joint venture partner with MCL did not materialize, as no suitable partner was found during that time. Ardent, please.
Sir, may I know whether the government would consider setting up a revival task force involving financial experts, engineers and economists to propose a restructuring of the plan?
Mr. Speaker, sir, so I would like to inform the members and the House. So after series of meetings and discussions and between the governments and the stakeholders and the MCL post, so finally we decided that on the 9th this month we have decided to close down the plan.
So
Next supplement.
No, sir. I think the minister, he didn't get my supplementary. So I would like him to reply to the question that I've just raised. Whether the government would consider setting up a revival task force, since the idea of privatization is not working out. So may I know?
So, no, Mr. Speaker, sir.
So, sir, in that case, may I know what is the rationality on the part of the government to exit from the cement sector when MCCL was originally established to make Meghalaya self-reliant on the production of cement, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, actually it will take me, I will need some time to clarify why now we propose the close down of this one plan, because we have a series of challenges. That is the reason that now the government decided to close the plants. So actually the dry process plan was commissioned in 2016, sir, and it was functioned till 2020, and it was during the national lockdown, the last week of March 2020, the plant was shut down. And yes, so even from the huge liabilities and frequent breakdowns and so many challenges are also based on the report from time to time and received from the MCLs. So on the July 2020, Honorable Chief Minister held a meeting, and it was felt that we should do something that towards this one of the following three options, if it is possible for Opto to revive the plan. So, number one is that we decided in the meeting, so since the plan is not in a position to continue anymore, so it faces a series of problems. So number one, we decided that it may be restart to operation at the MCL with the support of fresh infusions of funds by the state governments and intense mining as an addition. Number two, restarts operation maybe by inducting a joint venture partner in MCL through the divestments of equity stakes in favor of joint venture partners. And number three, taking conditions of the current financials and operational situation of MCLs, the financial situation of the state governments and the environmental challenges resulting from the discovery of Mamluk Cave in a close proximity to be limestone mine, stone, the pollution at MCL and wine economy may be one of the reasons. And after this, so we decided to go one of the options. And in July 22, so we decided to go option number 2. We have float an expression of interest, was floated as the first step in the process. We may be able to revive the plan. So unfortunately, there are 3 companies that took part in the process. So one is disqualified, and the one is opted out subsequently, and the other one is qualified, but after some time they show that they are not interested anymore. And with that, so again, we have again CM has called meeting at his level. So after series of discussions with the stakeholder, and even we are including the MLAs, the local MLAs, the MDCs, the same SORA, and the various of stakeholders. So it sees that this is the best option is that this plan is not feasible to work anymore, so we decided to close it down. And on December 9, 2002, the cabinet has passed that we will close down the plant, and we had offered a special, one-time special industrial closure scheme for the employer to ensure that the fair compensation to employee and the stakeholder with an aim to mitigate the hardship caused to them due to the plant closure. So we understand both mutually the Mccl employer and the stakeholder and the government. So with the cut-off date of December 24, so presently we decided the plant should be closed down, and even the scheme also, as we talked, is duly implemented with an amount of altogether it's become, the settled amount with the employees and the stakeholder and the supplier contractor come to 98 crores. So due settled amount with the employee is 83 crores, 71 lakh, 39,096. And the dues with the supplier and contractor is 7 crores, 73 lakhs, 8,345. And the payment dues outstanding to the ex-employees is 6 crore, 81 lakhs, 44,408. Totals it become 98 crore, 25 lakh, 92,689. And first and second settlement has been released now. It left only with the third installment only. This is the present status as of today.
So I would like to thank the Minister for his exhaustive reply. However, sir, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, I was made to understand that the decision to close down this plant had been taken with the consent of all the stakeholders. You had even mentioned some of them. So may I know, besides those stakeholders that you have named, would you please tell others also? I would like to know all the stakeholders who were involved in the decision to close down the plant.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this has been dialogue and negotiated by the Board of Directors. It's not by the government personally. So the detail for that who are there, so it's not with me. I cannot notice for that, but it has been after a third round of discussion with the Board of Directors and with the stakeholder, with the other leaders from there, from the same OSORA and the supplier, and they informed the government that everything is mutual understanding. So that is the reason we go ahead with the government on 9th of December to close down the plant. Actually, after the received report from the Board of Directors.